Good morning. I just woke up and had a quick shower. I wanted to show you guys my view out of the balcony. First of all, check these like really cool retractors out on the old things. That's VIP, you guys. Look at that. That's how I just opened up the shades to the balcony. Okay, let me take you out on the balcony. It's so pretty. It's a little cold out, but I think if I don't show you now, I think it's gonna rain. I don't know if I can open them. There we go. This balcony wraps all the way around the apartment. Look at this, it's huge. And then you get this view all the way down the street. This is my favorite view, this one down here. Look at these beautiful apartments. And there's always a garbage truck, always. So cool, so beautiful. Okay, let's get some coffee. I am here in this beautiful apartment in Milan. I've been here for a couple of days now. I thought I would do the whole process, check in, stay a couple of nights before I sat down and give you a full review. But first, let me take you on a tour. It's the only apartment on the floor, so it's super quiet in here. And there's an elevator. So you come in through the front door straight into the living room. You've got the TV here. Little bookshelf unit. Very clean, very open. You have this big open space where you have the couch, the table here, and the balcony out here. As you can see, it's raining. But the balcony for me was the big seller. I was imagining coffee in the mornings, and I haven't been able to do that. Not without an umbrella, anyway. One of the things I also really liked about this apartment was the full kitchen. So you have a big fridge. In here you have a washing machine, which is huge if you've been traveling for a couple of days, or you're here for the week and you don't want to pack a ton of stuff. Over here we have an induction stove and one of these beautiful little coffee machines that you saw me use this morning. Fully functioning oven, kettle, toaster with something I've never seen before. These sort of like little things that help you get your toast out in case it gets stuck. Very clever. You've got a full sink here. Under here, I didn't know this about Italy, I guess. I've never stayed in an apartment here before, but you have all these different things for your recycling. So it's all very clearly labeled. Food, you've got like paper there, regular garbage, and then plastic goes back there. And then this guy is the glass. So yeah, very well organized. And in here you've got stuff to do your dishes, which I didn't need to open. Nice view out here. I just love these two little buildings here. I think they're so beautiful. As you make your way out of the sort of living area, you have something that I didn't really realize until I got here, and that is that there's this beautiful, huge bathroom. So this is the full bathroom. You have the bidet, you have the sink, you have the toilet, the huge tub, so if you want to have a little soak, and then a nice big shower. The only odd thing about this shower that I can't seem to figure out is that there's no light in here. So you take a shower, it's a little dark. You've got this shower head, which is really strong, and then up here you have a sort of rain shower, and it depends on which way you turn the nozzle there, and that will get you either this shower head or the one up there. And what I meant by strange is that, so you have this full bathroom, and then you come in here and you have a little half bath. So again, all of these, I love this. They have all their own little shower gels and stuff. You get a bar of soap, and then a full toilet here. How interesting. So this 1-bedroom apartment has 2 bathrooms. Saving the best for last, the bedroom is huge. I've been sleeping here already a couple of days, so little wrinkle, but you have so much storage space. There were enough towels for 2 people, so we each got a set. You have this huge set of drawers, so you can put all your clothes away. These bedside tables here also are drawers. I can't believe the storage in this place. You could live here. And of course, this amazing closet. It closes, so you have a little privacy for your stuff. But otherwise, open it back up. Let me give you a wide angle view. It's basically walk-in. Like, you go inside, you have all of this storage space. You put your suitcases up here, extra blankets, plenty of hangers, and again, more drawers down here. This apartment costs 166 euros per night. That's roughly $185 per night. I think that's a pretty good price for what you're getting here. Milan is not the cheapest place to stay. If you're looking for a smaller space, that's still equally as centrally located, you're still gonna pay over 100 euros per night, probably about 120 euros per night. I'll link below to a couple of other places that I found on Plum Guide that I really loved, but that just weren't available or unfortunately didn't have Wi-Fi strong enough. But if you're not worried about Wi-Fi, I will send you to some of these places below. But this place has been fantastic. It's so beautiful. The location honestly couldn't be better. It's a 5-minute walk to the Garibaldi metro station, which means that I can head anywhere around the city. This neighborhood, the Garibaldi neighborhood, is so modern and so beautiful. I've been able to do a little bit of shopping. There's a Sephora right around the corner, which I don't have back home. And I just have really enjoyed being able to walk from here to Chinatown is not very far. I walked to the castle yesterday, which was really only about a 25-minute walk. So it's just so well located. The apartment is so quiet. You're actually really in the center of the action here. And if you open the windows, you're gonna hear where you are. But as soon as you close these doors and back in the bedroom where you're away from the road, I slept like an absolute baby these last few nights. The bed is comfortable. Could do with better pillows, I would say, but if we're being picky, I found it to be so quiet at night, which is a huge bonus in the middle of a city as busy as this one, to be able to be so centrally located and also sleep soundly at night is a luxury, I think, one worth paying for.
I recently discovered Plum Guide as an alternative to other vacation apartment rental spots, and I'm excited to have had the chance to work with them on this video. The customer service that I experienced was above and beyond, and being able to actually deal with a real person when you're booking is such a luxury, one that I will be taking advantage of for future bookings in the coming months. They have a huge selection of apartments around Milan at different price points and depending on how many people you're traveling with. I narrowed it down to a few that I really loved the looks of, and the guys at Plum Guide helped me find the one that would be the best for me, considering that I needed pretty good Wi-Fi for working, and I wanted to be centrally located during my stay, so that I could get the most out of my short trip to Milan. Just like with most vacation rental websites these days, you book through the Plum Guide website, and then you are put in direct contact with the person or company that owns or operates the property so that you can organize check-in and check-out easily.
Obviously, no place is perfect. I had a little bit of a kerfuffle checking in. This apartment is, although it's through Plum Guide, is managed by a property management company here in Milan. So I dealt with them after I booked through Plum Guide. I organized to pick up the keys with them, and they gave me the keys, no problem, picked up the keys, walked to the apartment, but the key card to get into the building didn't work. I struggled a little bit to get in touch with them. I probably waited outside for about 15 minutes before finally someone called me back. So it was frustrating to start that way, but everything else has been fine. Their customer service has been pretty good with follow-up questions and making sure that I got into the apartment okay, and everything else has been okay. I was easily able to chat to them through WhatsApp. So I had a better connection that way, but yeah, it was a little bit of a bummer to check in that way, to start the holiday that way. But otherwise, this apartment, and I want to come back here in the summer because this balcony, I'm so bummed that the weather has been so bad while I've been here. Literally the 2 worst days of weather in the last month. Tomorrow when I leave, it's gonna be nice and sunny again. So hopefully when you come, you get better weather. You can sit out here with your morning coffee. You can head to Panini Durini and get yourself some croissants and some pastries to sit out on this balcony with your coffee. Oh, that was all I dreamt about. Anyway, this apartment has been great. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about using Plum Guide, any questions about this apartment, the location, let me know in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. Thanks as always for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.